Morning, people. Getting it in out here as usual. Got my boy D-Boy. Got his Caprice over here that we working on. We done put them beefed up alternator. He had it here before. I had wired everything up, but he had to take it to get the insides done. That boy clean, man. Beautiful, beautiful. He going green on this thing. I think my boy Derek and them down there at, I know my boy Derek and them did the console. We just took the back deck out. Gotta rewire some stuff back there. Well, actually put some stuff back from where they did the insides. Hooking up all the lights. Let me see. It's one of these buttons here. Got all the LEDs and cup holders and lights and all that stuff. But them was bright. Yeah, he coming along real nice. That boy looking real good. Coming along real nice. Got all his little touch buttons in there. Not touch buttons, push buttons, I'm tripping. He done swapped all this stuff out the billet. Got the steering wheel wrap. Got the billet vents up there. Man, my boy ain't playing with them. Got the big boy roof put in. Got his rear view mirror even. Yeah. Go his highs and stuff out the back deck. What he got them Neos. Death Bunts Arnold Neos. Boy got them crossfires back there. Got 4 of them ported. He sound good. I think I might have posted a video a while back. Epic Center. Pumps on. Everything hooked up. Shit, I ain't gonna lie, when my boy leave here, I think he going on to the paint. I think he already in line at the paint too. Different paint man for me. He going candy. My boy paint candy too, but I'm not going candy on the rivet, so. Yes, sir. Old D-Boy coming along good, man. This whole thing gonna look good when that boy pull it out there. Run good, AC blow. Yes, sir. I'm gonna try to give y'all a sound check on this thing before he leaves. Show y'all how them 412 sound. He got I think there's 4 Crossfire 12s on I think a Sound Digital 8K. Sound pretty good. Pretty good. He say he think he want a little bit more though, so I think he gonna take those 4 Crossfires out and go with man, I forgot what woofers he said he might take out. He said he was thinking about getting another Sound Digital 8K, taking them 4 Crossfires out, adding another 8K, and I think some bigger 12s. So even later on, we got some little projecting to do. Oh yeah, let me show y'all that boy lid, man. He got a nice lid. It's a little dusty, but that's the back deck right there. Then this is lid, man. My boy say he putting his car together. Memories of his people, man. He got his pops. Got his sister, and he got his T. Jones. Man, he lost all three of his people, man. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say sometimes, man, you'll never know what people doing these slabs for, man. Some people do it for sentimental reasons. Some people do it for fun. I know people that don't even roll slab like that, but they just got the money to do it. And like I say, this here dusty, y'all. They need, wiping down. It's been in the shop. But yeah, man, this is nice, Shouting out to his people, man. My boy lost all three of his main people, man. But yeah. That's why I say, man, sometimes when a person make a certain comment on a person's car or something, man, you'll never know why they doing what they doing to their car, man. That's why I say leave people alone. Let them do what they want to do. You know what I'm saying? Some people, man, why he do that? Why he do this? Why he do that? Man, that man doing it because he want to. And that's what his money want him to do. That's what he work for. That's what he hustle for. But yeah, this is my boy D-Boy Caprice. Think he had a oil leak in the front coming from one of the cooler lines. I had to order that yesterday. It'll be in today. I'm gonna go pick that up. I think we was having problems out his highs amp, so he finna take that highs amp out that DS18. We was having some problems with it, but it's been around for a while. He finna swap that out. I think he finna put that Sound Digital 4-channel 1200 back there. And batteries. Yeah, he'll be out soon, y'all. Another green machine to be coming out. But yeah, like I said, once I get through with him, I'ma give y'all a sound check, let y'all hear how this thing sound with them 412s on that 8K, man. Sound pretty nice in here. Nice bass line. Sound like an SUV on the inside. But yeah, I'll be hitting y'all back a little later.